I'm just playing. Thanks for tuning in to your girl. Today is going to be a little cooking video. I'm finna cook some cabbage and smoked neck bones. And it's not all I'm cooking, but I'm going to show y'all piece by piece. First thing you're going to need is a pot of water, which I got on now. Okay, I also put garlic powder, onion powder, got to have the lemon and pepper salt, and I put a little pinch of crushed peppers. You gotta have, I already washed these, I'm gonna wash them again. You gotta have 2 cabbages and 2 peppers. I'm doing the yellow. I'm doing the yellow and the red. But anyways, before you continue, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell if you want, to see more videos by your girl. You're probably gonna see my face because I'm gonna turn the camera towards the food. Y'all finna watch me cut it up or whatnot. And we're gonna get to it. Let's go. Okay, I hope y'all can see me. That's my pot. I'm putting my to it. I got that on right now. Coming to a bird. Okay. So first thing I'm gonna do is cut my cucumber. Not my cucumber. What am I talking about? First thing I'm gonna do is cut my bell peppers. I already rinsed them. So gotta have your handy dandy knife. Trying to get to it, honey. Make sure y'all wash your hands when you're cooking. Especially when you're cooking for other people. It's not that I want the heat. So, you see this right here? That's where the heat comes in. So, I'm just going to cut that out. If y'all like to see me do more cooking shows, well, cooking, and I say shows, cooking videos, then let me know. And I will do that for y'all. But when I hit that 200, you hear me? So right now it look like this. Period. So I'm gonna do long strokes and then I'm gonna cut them a little bit small. Okay. I don't want them real small because it's just really, I'm just using it for the flavor. So I'm trying to hurry up before my food that I just bought get cold. Your girl finna do a pop-up shop. August the 7th. My first pop-up shop. So if y'all want me to record it, leave it in the comment section. It's gonna be at a it's like a fundraiser to help young ladies and girls, pay their way through school pretty much. Okay, they done been through a lot. I like them this long. So that's the yellow. I'm gonna put that in. I don't like to use a lot of salt because I'm not a very salty kind of person. So, how about y'all looking like you cutting these pretty thin? But I usually get the frozen ones, but the store I went to didn't have them, so I just got it fresh. I usually do it with the sausage, but I'm gonna do it with the sausage, but I'm also doing smoked neck bones. It's not like thick sausages, it's just the sausages with the something to give it a little flavor. The less season you can use, the better. I'm trying to tell y'all. But anyways, yes, don't forget to go follow me on TikTok and Instagram at royalty custom closet. So you can see, like, you know, some of my stuff I sell. I also do custom stuff. Alright. Don't forget, I already told y'all I rinsed them off already. So, I already did my cabbages like that. Rinsed off too. Okay. Okay. I got my cutting board on the stove. So y'all can see it better. So, before I do that, I'm going to put my little seasons in while it comes into a boil. I know y'all realize, like, this is a second cooking thing. I done seen you don't use lemon pepper sauce. I love lemon pepper sauce. So your girl gonna use lemon pepper sauce. I use lemon pepper sauce on everything. I use lemon pepper sauce more than I use salt, to be honest. I don't really use salt like that. So this gonna have it come to a boil, and the pepper's gonna be all in there. I do a little piece of that. Ooh. Close it up. Now it's time to do the cabbages. I'm doing 2 cabbages because it ain't that many people. It's me, my husband, and 2 little girls. 2 little girls. They eat like they about 10. Teenagers, but only by cabbage, all I do is cut it. Cut that middle piece right there. See how that is? And I just flip this bad boy. See that? I just like that. The smaller it is, the quicker it is. Alright. I have to get it out the way. And also with this, if I don't record it, I'm doing cabbage with smoked neck bones, macaroni and cheese, cornbread. Shoot, I'm gonna have to make sure I get that. I don't think about this one. The little fresh sheet could be on the thing. Sometimes I cut it, sometimes I just rip it up. It depends on, but I'm just trying to show y'all that this way that I do it. Almost cut myself. We'll cut that a little smaller. See, it's kind of simple. I don't want that in there. Sorry. I'll do like a couple of pieces, but I don't know. Only by cabbage and greens, it be looking like a lot until it cooks down. So right now, that's why a lot of people put a little bit of it in let it cook down. Then put the rest in there. Also, this is one of my custom designs. It's my roots, and it got, you know, all the black women of history on there. It even got Michelle Obama, you know, of being the first black, what they call it? The black woman, the black first lady. My husband became president, so she classified as going down in history for being the first black first lady of the United States. I keep sneezing because of this season, honey. I try to keep it clean as possible. Okay, now you see I just did that. That was just one. So now I'm going to wash some of my smoked neck bones and put it in a cook. And let it give it like a smoke flavor. That'll give it that smoke flavor. It's all good when it comes to the flavor. I gotta do one more. And I'll be done. If it's your first time cooking cabbage, and see, everybody cook theirs different. Some people fry cabbage, some people boil cabbage. You know, I'm the first time baked cabbage. And my cup of tea. I'd rather boil it, get it over with. You know. So, some people are like, so it's hard. It ain't hard. Get your cabbage, go to the store, pick the cabbage you want. They got a lot of different cabbages. Usually, you can get found some big ones, but lately, all I've been seeing is little ones. Unless you buy like a farmer's market or something. If you buy a farmer's market, you ain't nothing, honey. Get that fresh stuff. Get the fresh stuff. But like, I get mine at the store. So when you get at the stores, especially wash it, because you gotta think about people. They go and they you know, touchy feely. They want to sniff on it and all that mess. So I really don't like to use the first layer because ain't nobody got time for that at all. But I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna let this get on, boil a couple, and you know, let it do what it do. Sometimes I cut it more than once. Cause I'll be like, make sure I can close my, I hope y'all can hear me, close my top. So I usually get 3, but I'm getting 2 because I just had a taste for it and I don't want to get 3 and then it go to waste. Too many people out here starving for food to go to waste. That's why I be trying to tell my children. So I'm gonna let that do what it do. I'm gonna put it, I'm gonna try to see can I fit the others. I just put 2 in there. I'm gonna see if I can put the rest in here. If I can't, then I'll wait till it cook down. This is one, and I have to make. Gotta fill my other pack of neck bones. So I'm just gonna let it sit like that, and then as it cooks down, this is going to fall down more. So I'm gonna clean up. Oh, gotta hit that top. I hit the wrong side. Anyway, hit that top. Let that do what it do. And I say cook it on. It depends on what size you get, what size pot you trying to cook. But I always keep mine like between low and medium, because I don't want to cook too fast, but I don't want it to cook too slow either, so I keep it medium. I have a gas stove, so I don't know how it works electric, but I keep mine medium. And I'm just gonna clean up a little bit, and then I'll be back when it cooks down. I hope y'all can see me. Let me see. I hope y'all can see me. But if y'all didn't, I know y'all saved the food. But like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. I'm going to keep saying it through the whole video. I need them subscribe buttons to go up, honey. Leave a comment if you would like to see me do more cooking videos. So when I come back, I'm going to show you how they cook down. I'm going to show you, I might show you when I do my cornbread or whatnot. I ain't going to do a macaroni and cheese until a little bit later. I might do my cornbread later too. I don't know. But when this cook down, I'm going to come back, show you how it's looking. So stay tuned. Peace.